Telecommunication and space system of the European Union. The Galileo positioning system is the another European infrastructure project. Galileo is a proposed satellite navigation system to be built by the European Union and launched by the European Space Agency. The Galileo project was launched partially to reduce the European dependency on the US operated global positioning system, but also to give more complete global coverage and allow for the greater accuracy given the aged nature of the GPS system. Agriculture and fisheries in the European Union. The Common Agricultural Policies is one of the long-lasting policies of the European Union community. The policy has the objectives of the increasing the agricultural production, providing certainly in food supplies, ensuring a high quality of the life for a farmer, stability market, and ensuring responsive, reasonable prices for the consumers. In it was until recently operated by a system of subsidies and the market intervention. Until the 1990s, the policy accounted for over 60% of then European Community's annual budget, and as of the 2013 accounts for the around 34%. The policy prices control and the market intervention led to the considerable overproduction. These were interventions stores of the products brought up by the community to maintain minimum price level to dispose of surplus stores. They were often sold on a world market at price considerable below community granted price, or a farmer were offered subsidies to export their products outside the community. This system has been criticized for undercutting farmers outside Europe, especially those in the developing world. Supporters of CAP argued that the economy supports which it gives to farmer provides them with a reasonable standard of the living. Since the beginning of the 1990s, the CAP has been subjected to a series of reforms. Initially, these reforms includes the introductions of a set out asides in 1988, where a proportion of a farmland was deliberately withdrawn from production milk courts, and more recently the decoupling of the money farmer receives from the European Union and the amount they produce. Agriculture expenditure will move away from the subsidy payments linked to specific produce toward direct payment based on a farm size. This is intended to allow the market to detected production levels. One of those reforms entailed the modification of the European Union sugar regimes, which previously divided the sugar market between the member states and certain African Caribbean nations with the privileged relationship with the European Union. Competition in the European Union. The European Union operates a competition policy intended to ensure undistorted competition within the single market. The Commission, as the competition regulators for the single market, is responsible for the antitrust issues, approving mergers, breaking up cartels, working for the economic liberalizations, and preventing state aid. The Competition Commission's currently Margrethe Vestager is one of the most powerful positions in the Commission, notable for the ability to affect the commercial interest of the transnational corporations. For example, in 2001, the Commission for the first time prevented a merger between two companies based in the United States, which had already been approved by their national authority. Another high-profile case against Microsoft resulted in the Commission financing Microsoft over €777 million following 9 years of the legal actions. Labor market. The European Union seasonally adjusted unemployment rate was 6.7% in September 2018. The Euro area's unemployment rate was 8.1% among the member states. The lowest unemployment rates were recorded in the Czech Republic 2.3%, Germany and Poland 3.4%, and the highest in the Spain 14.9%, and Greece 19% in July 2008. Social policy and equality system in the European Union. The European Union has long sought to mitigate the effect of free market by protecting worker rights and preventing social and environmental dumping. To this it has adopted laws establishing minimum employment and environmental standards. These includes the working time directives and the environmental impact assessments directives. The European Union has also sought to coordinate the social security health system of member states to facilitate individuals exercising free movements rights and to ensure they maintain their ability to access social security and health service of other member states.